I am super excited because look what I got in the mail. FabFitFun. If you guys have watched my channel for a little while, then you know that I used to do these unboxings and the sun just went down. Should I turn on my ring light? Better? Worse? So I did these unboxings on my channel about a year ago, and then they recently reached out to me like a couple weeks ago and they were like, hey, do you want to do another unboxing? And I was like, sure. So yes, full disclaimer, FabFitFun did send this box to me, but this is not a sponsored video. I make $0 off of telling you guys about this. They did give me a promo code, so if you're interested in ordering FabFitFun for yourself, then you can use the code MELSMAKEUP to get $10 off your box. If you're not familiar, FabFitFun it's literally the best subscription out there. I think you get the most bang for your buck with this subscription box. So it's quarterly instead of monthly, and it's a little bit more pricey, but you get full-size products and you get good products, and it's a mixture of like fitness related things, beauty related things, lifestyle related things. It's just like a really good all-in-one box. And I have to say, it's one of my favorite boxes. Actually, it's probably my favorite subscription box, and I've done a lot, you guys. I've done like Birchbox and Ipsy and Sephora Play, and I've done quite a bit. This one is my favorite. So yeah, this is the spring box, and this box is still available to purchase, which is really exciting. Most of the time when you see unboxings, it's like, well, that's great, but I can't get the box. This one you still can get. So I'm gonna stop blabbing and just open this up because I am like really excited. The box itself is super cute also. It's nice in spring. I'm so excited for spring. I can't wait for spring to be here. I'm already wearing spring colors even though it's still kind of cold outside, and I am just pumped, you guys. And it has a little cactus on it, which reminds me of Arizona. Okay, so you open it up and oh my god, it's even cuter inside with the cactus and the purple and the pink. I love it so much. Oh my god, and I already see something I'm so excited about. So I'm probably not the first person you've watched this unboxing for, because this box has been out for like a month and a half already. And so I know I have been watching a bunch of unboxings, and the good thing about FabFitFun is you can actually like curate your box, and when you subscribe, you can go on their website and like pick certain things. So there's certain options. So you can pick like this thing or this thing to go in your box, or this thing and this thing to go in your box. So you can kind of like specialize it and curate it to what you want, which to my knowledge, this is the only subscription box where you can do that. Most of the time it's like a surprise and you just kind of get what you get. But this one, you get to pick what goes in there. So the first thing they have is this HelloFresh. I feel like I get these in the mail like all the time. HelloFresh. I've never done HelloFresh. I do Blue Apron and I really like Blue Apron, but I've never done HelloFresh. And here's what it looks like. So many things inside. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to pick out here is this jump rope. So this is by the brand 11. Oh no, 11 by Venus. And it's a jump rope. I can't use this right now, but I will definitely be able to use it in a few months. And it'll help me kind of get back in shape post baby. But here's what it looks like. So there's a little blue. This is actually really cute, like nice, well made. This particular product has a value of $15. So that's the most exciting thing about these boxes, is it's usually like a $200+ value, and you do not pay $200 for this box. I think it's $40. Is it $49.99 or is it $39.99? So it looks like in this particular box, you could either get the jump rope, or there was a detox brush, or a facial cleanser. So I probably would have liked the facial cleanser, but I am pretty excited about the jump rope. This is something that I don't have, and this is something that my husband can probably use too. The next thing is a water bottle. So this is the Sip by Swell. I have seen these at Target. I actually own one of these, the one with like little weenie dogs on it. This one is black, so it's very like versatile. Again, I think my husband would really like this. This is a $19.99 value, so $20. So this plus this alone already pay for the box, which is like fabulous. So you could have either gotten the Sip by Swell, the Ciate London Translucent Setting Powder. That would have been really cool. Or it looks like some sort of necklace. So again, remember, you get to pick what you get. I probably would have picked the setting powder if it was my choice. The next thing in this box, this is what I was so excited for. So as I was watching everybody's unboxings, you could either get this robe, which is by the brand Show Me Your Moo Moo, or you could get a backpack, or you could get an aromatherapy oil diffuser. So the reason why I wanted this is because I feel like it would be perfect for the hospital when I deliver my baby. So I'm so excited. This is an $84 value, which is crazy to me, but robes are expensive. So I'm pretty dang pumped about this. It says it's a Garden of Blooms robe, and it's like this cotton material, which is perfect for the summertime. It's soft, and it's so pretty. Look at how pretty it is. It has like floral pattern on it, very spring, very summer. This is going to be absolutely perfect to wear in the hospital. So here's what it looks like. I am so excited. And if I had my choice, I would have definitely picked this over the backpack or the oil diffuser. Although the oil diffuser is nice and the backpack is actually really cute too, but I still would have picked that. The next thing in here is, you could have either gotten this, measuring spoons, or a mystery item. Ooh, it says a palette, a body cream, or a trigger ball. So this is a $19 value. So this is the Lavito Aromatic Body Lotion in Mandarin, Orange, and Bergamot scent. Yum. My hands are so dry, you guys. My eczema is going crazy. So I'm just like lotioning everything. So I'm really excited about this. I could actually probably use some right now. Ooh, nice and smoothing. Wow, that has a really strong orange scent. So the next thing in here, this is kind of a bummer. I probably would have rather gotten some of the sunglasses. So this next thing you could have picked out a pair of Key Australia sunglasses. There's two different versions. Or the Korres Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Facial, or this, which is the Sunny Life Lovers Picnic Set in Malibu. This is worth $30. The glasses are worth $60 and the face mask is worth $48. So this is the least valued product that you could pick from that bunch. Oh, interesting. So it's like a full silverware set and like a plate, or two plates. Yeah, two plates. You know what? This would actually be really good if you were like a camping person and you went camping a lot, which is kind of appropriate for the spring, I guess. So it's cute. Not sure how much we'll use it, but it's definitely, you know, a cute niche product. I would have personally rather had the sunglasses, but that's just my preference. The next three things come in every single box. So every box you'll get one of these no matter what. So this is the Champagne Charcoal Scrub. Ooh, detoxify, exfoliate, and hydrate your skin with this gentle body scrub. What are the scents on it? Does it say? I guess champagne. I don't know. I kind of don't want to open it because I don't want it to get everywhere. Yeah. I'm gonna wait to open this. We're actually moving pretty soon, and so I'm gonna wait to open this. But I love body scrubs. I use body scrubs all the time, so I'm pretty excited about this. It looks like this one's really oily too, which is right up my alley. So everybody gets that, and this is worth $24. The next thing everybody gets is this Dr. Brandt No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. So this is worth $42. Stuff is worth so much money, and this is like a full-size product too. I mean, all of this stuff is full-size. So this visibly reduces the look of under eye bags. Nice. You know what? I'm always up for using some depuffing things. My under eyes are always looking rough because I'm always tired. So it says drop the bags and everything that comes with them, formulated with a biomimetic? I don't know, these are some big words. Peptides, botanical extracts to visibly reduce the look of under eye bags and dark circles. Ooh. I love beauty products. You guys already know this is Mel's Makeup 88. I'm a beauty girl, so love that. And then the last thing is also a beauty product, and this is worth $26. This is from Ouai. So Ouai is a high-end hair brand. I was gonna say hair product. I mean, they make hair products. I have tried their foaming dry shampoo and a couple of other products of theirs. I've gotten like the 500 point perks from Sephora. So this is their leave-in conditioner. I love leave-in conditioners. My leave-in conditioner is actually almost gone. I've been using the milkshake one, and I've actually had that bottle for like way too long, like 3 years. So I'm gonna be in the market for a new leave-in conditioner here soon. It almost kind of smells like perfumey, but it smells very high-end. So I'm excited for this. It says a multitasking leave-in mist that works all day to smooth, soften, and detangle hair. All right, guys, so that is everything that is in my FabFitFun spring box. I can say this again. Wait, I'll say this again. Wait, I've said this before, but I'll say it again. Where is my mind today? This is honestly, I think, the best subscription box out there. You get so much for your money. I mean, this is well over $200 worth of things. And the fact that you can curate your box for the products that you want, like, that's just so cool to me. It's well worth your money. Dang, you know, I actually would have really liked that Ciate powder. Maybe I'll order the Ciate powder. But anyways, regardless, really good box, and I hope that you guys liked in watching me unbox this box. I'm gonna leave everything in the description box down below if you'd like to check it out yourself. But otherwise, I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy the rest of my day, put all this stuff away, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.